up. So I decided to vlog today. I thought, what better way to start than me sitting on my bed in my pajamas. Breakfast time now. Just making a cup of tea to go with my cereal for breakfast because nothing says good morning like a cup of tea. I'm really slightly addicted to tea. Just a little bit. Now heading up to the bus stop on my adventures for today. And it's raining because it's England, so of course it's raining. I'm just really happy that I have a waterproof camera. That is pretty awesome. So I don't have to worry about ruining my camera while I'm vlogging in the rain. And yes, I am listening to music. I said in my last video, 90% of the time I'm playing music, and that includes when I'm out walking or on the train or on the bus. Yesterday I spent probably about 2.5 hours on the train, and towards the end of my journeys I was starting to get a little bit train sick. So today I thought I could take the train to where I need to go, but I'm going to take the bus instead. A little bit of a change in scenery. I've had enough of trains for now, which, you know, isn't really something very good for a Londoner. But I'd also like to point out, I'm not a Londoner. I'm a Canadian living in London. I'll get used to the trains eventually, but for now, I'm gonna bus. So I just got off the bus, and now I'm trying to figure out where I'm going. And now I'm actually in a place where there's people, so me talking to my camera might actually get me some weird looks. That's okay. I'm actually going to stop filming, not because I'm afraid of crazy looks, but because I need to focus on where I'm going, because I don't really know where I'm going. So I'm going to turn this off now. So the good news is I did what I came into town to do. Bad news is I now have this gigantic envelope to carry around. More good news, it stopped raining. Yay! This vlogging thing is a little bit weird, walking around holding up a camera, and I can just picture some of the strange looks that I'm getting. Right now I'm kind of just wandering around seeing what there is, because I haven't really had a chance to properly explore this area yet, and it seemed like a fun idea. So what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to turn this camera around and let you see what I have seen. And it might be starting to rain again, so yeah. I realized that it started raining, so I had my umbrella. I was a little bit awkward having the camera in one hand and the umbrella in the other. And now I'm just waiting to cross the road, or I could cross like a Londoner when the light's on green, but anyways. So I'm gonna get the bus, go home, a cup of tea, and I definitely just got a few weird looks. So I'm gonna turn this off and wait for my bus. Maybe I'll vlog the bus ride. Yay, I have my tea. Tea is good. Tea will warm me up. I like my tea. And I'm gonna have some lunch, because lunch is also good. And I don't really know what else to say in this bit, so I'm gonna turn this off and eat my lunch before it gets completely cold and I have to heat it up again. So I got home, had my tea, it was all very wonderful, and then my friend and I realized that we have next to no food. So now I am out on a mission to go to a grocery store and buy some food. And it is really, really raining now. Yeah, I'm gonna put my camera away because my arm is getting wet from holding it. And I kind of want to focus on where I'm going. Interestingly enough, the song that's playing right now is Better Days by the Goo Goo Dolls. Seems kind of appropriate to show you a bit of the weather. I don't know if you can actually see how wet it is, but it's quite wet. Oh. Good news, it stopped raining. There is some sunshine, and I found a £1 coin on the ground. Bad news, I am still getting weird looks from people. I don't think that's ever going to change, and I have 2 heavy bags of groceries to carry home. Nothing I'm not used to though, although maybe I didn't need to buy the 2-kilo bag of oatmeal. So I decided to make some spaghetti and meatballs for dinner tonight. I was mixing some pasta sauces, and I kind of found that there were some pasta sauces that just smelled horrible. It was the worst. So I had a little bit of a pasta sauce adventure, but I now have pasta sauce, and this is good. So I'm gonna make some dinner. So I have spaghetti now. I feel like I should be on Art Attack or something with the whole, like, here's one I prepared earlier. Except I didn't prepare this earlier. It actually took time to make. I'm gonna eat my dinner now while it's hot, and before I get accused of being a hipster and taking photos of my food instead of eating it, because I know that I have somebody who will. Alright, so that brings us to the end of my day. I guess I should say I washed up from dinner, and I now have another beautiful steaming cup of tea. In case you were counting, that's only 3 cups of tea today. I have some cookies because I decided to buy some chocolate chip cookies at the store today because, you know, I went there in the rain. I deserved some cookies. So I got a cookie, got my tea. I'm gonna go watch an episode of Teen Wolf, and then I'm gonna go to bed because I have to be up early tomorrow morning to hopefully go to work. That would be awesome! I think ending these is going to be probably the most awkward thing of life. You'll see me when you see me because I can't see you because I'm staring at my camera right now. Bye everybody! If you want to see my last video, you can click that way. And if you want to subscribe, you can click that way. Or there is a red button down there that says subscribe and you can click that too. Don't forget to leave me a comment.